Hello everyone. So it has been a while since I made a video, especially one like this. I have decided, I've been seeing this foundation for a long time online. Well, probably the past month I've been seeing like adverts for this foundation on all of my social media. Like I'm keep getting adverts for it. I'm like, it looks good, I'm gonna try it. So I purchased it, and it is this, which is the DCYPHER custom colour foundation. So this is essentially a foundation which you take a photo of your face and it matches the foundation to your specification. So you get to pick like your like the texture of your skin, if it's dry, if it's combination, if it's oily, blah blah blah. You also get to pick how what the coverage you kind of want is, and yeah, then you take a photo and it matches your skin, and then they make you a custom foundation. They do this one, which is the actual foundation, but then they also do some drops which you mix in with your skincare routine, which I think is also really good. So they come in this little box, Decipher, and then it says, "We made this just for you." Now, I've not seen many reviews of this online which aren't sponsored, like they haven't got it for free. So yeah, I thought I would do this today. So comes with this, made just for you, yeah, all that. So that's the Decipher thing, and then it also comes with this card, which tells you how to use the drops and the foundation, and it tells you your skin tone and who made it, I think. No, it doesn't. I think there's something else. But yeah, this is me. This is my skin tone, apparently. So I wanted full coverage with natural finish, and my skin type is dry. Doesn't look it at the minute because I've just prepped my skin and everything, and yeah, my skin actually looks kind of nice today. So yeah, I've always wondered what kind of undertone was in my skin, because I've always assumed that I was, well, when I went to MAC and got the shade matched for the MAC's foundation, they said I was rosy undertone. Their foundation never ever matched me, and then whenever I went for one that was more yellow toned, it never matched me. So this confirms my undertone is smack bang in the middle. So I have a neutral undertone. So now I know that I have a neutral undertone. And my skin tone is on the very fair side. So that is a really cool thing to have. I like that a lot. So as I said, I have prepped my skin. I also thought I would show you some foundations that I have been using and compare them to this shade that they have matched for me. So I've been using this one as well, which is the Primark Glow. This one is probably the closest, and it's still not the same. This one is Estee Lauder's Double Wear in Alabaster. Very, very different. This one I've been liking. This is the Perfect Colour Matte Foundation from Primark. Again, nowhere near. This is an Alamasca one. Nowhere near. So, apparently foundations are not made in my shade. But I have a concealer, which I got from, I can't remember what brand this is. Revolution. This concealer is like almost the same colour, and this foundation, this concealer is incredible. So I'm going to try out my Decipher, and then I'm going to put the rest of my foundation on, and the rest of my face, because no eyebrows or anything going on at the minute. So yes, so you're supposed to use 2 pumps. I'm going to use 1 pump for now and see how we go on. Yes, my sponge is dirty. I need to actually wash it at some point, but let's get it on. I have got my Gengar headband on. Okay. 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 I see what you're doing. Okay. It definitely has a natural look to it. So it looks kind of dark on here, but then when you pat it out, that's insane. Get it up here, my hairline. Okay. I'm liking this. Like, it is quite natural looking, but still has quite a lot of coverage. It's not really covering these kind of spots here that I have. Go for another pump so I can do my neck area and try and cover up any bits that it's missing. I'll put a little bit more under my eyes. Okay, so that match is really good. Like, I can't really see like a difference between my neck and my face. This is not covering up very well, so I'm just going to use some of that concealer that I was talking about just on that one, just to sort it out, I suppose. It's not covering up that well on that one either, but there you go. As you can see, that matches really well. This is the C1 in that foundation. Concealer, not foundation. And yeah, there it is in all its glory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to finish off the rest of my face and come back to you in a second and we'll discuss. Okay, so I am back. Everything is powdered down now and I really like the texture of it. It's not really setting in my lines here that much, which is rare. And yeah, I really like this so far. So the DCYPHER Foundation so far gets a thumbs up. I will wear this throughout the day and I will update in the info bar thing to let you know how it gets on throughout the day. And yeah, I'm gonna mist it down now with some of my setting spray and we'll go about the day. So yeah, thanks for watching and I hope to make more of these videos soon. Bye.